we have studied reproduction in plants. So among the different methods, the vegetative reproduction is one among them, and in the vegetative reproduction there is the artificial method. So in the artificial method there is the conventional method, and among the conventional methods there are three types to be discussed. They are cuttings, then grafting and layering. Now we can see what are the differences between grafting and layering. In grafting, parts of two different plants are joined and they continue to grow as a single plant, whereas in layering only one plant is used. In grafting, the stalk produces the root and the scion produces the shoot system, whereas in layering the single stem of the parent plant produces both the root and the shoot. The different types of grafting are bud grafting, approach grafting, tongue grafting, crown grafting and wedge grafting, whereas in layering there are only two types. They are mound layering and air layering. The example for the grafting are mango and apple, whereas the example for the layering are ixora and jasmine. So these are the main differences between grafting and layering. Do you understand?